Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So friends, today I'm going to show you how you can make cake at your home in just few simple ingredients. So let's start. Here I have taken bourbon biscuits. I'm adding it in a mixture jar. You can cut into small pieces and add in a mixture. Also crunchy biscuits. It has some choco chips flavor. So now the mixture is being ready. After this, take a pressure cooker and now I will be adding here water. Only 1 glass of water. You can add 1.5. On the other side, in the mixture you need to add some milk just to make a paste. Thick paste is required. Mix it with a spoon like this and add milk. Just mix it like this so as to avoid the lumps in the mixture. Adding some more milk. Okay, so next I am adding ENO. 1 packet of ENO is required to be added in the mixture. Also some milk. So now you can add all the ingredients together. And mix in a one direction only. Take a tin pan or a container and apply some butter all over the tin. So now I am transferring the mixture into the container and just put the container into the pressure cooker. Be careful while putting it into the pressure cooker and cover it. Just remember to remove the whistle from the cooker and leave it for 20 minutes. Now you can check the cake. It's being ready now. You can check it with the help of a spoon or a knife. It's been properly cooked. So now I am plating it. It's a very easy recipe and you can make at your home and very delicious in eat, and serving it with some dry fruits. And also some chocolate syrup. So friends, must try this recipe at your home and do share your comments and reviews. Thanks for watching this video.